Coffee shop. Coffee shop. Another coffee shop. Coffee shop. Big coffee shop. Let me explain you something before we go on. First step, follow Free Brain Trauma on YouTube. Hit that notification bell and give me a like if you like my videos. We had an emergency stop, and it happened to stop exactly in this amazing location where you have a view to a nice monastery. I think people are visiting because I saw a bus with people who came on this road from where we're coming, and it went there. But the emergency didn't happen because of the view. It happened somewhere here. We don't have a specific destination today. We just picked the road, we hit the road, we are going in unknown direction. We're looking for a nice place with beautiful views to drink a coffee. And this is the place where we are drinking our coffee today. Motorcycle, it's over there.
Say the word, say the word. Say the word, come on.
I think this is a better place to drink your coffee instead of a coffee shop in city.
Say the word and a wink around the earth and around the sun. Say the word and we can say forget about that better place. And I know you're healing, 'cause I know the feeling. My streets stop breathing. I don't wanna let you. Say the word, say
follow Free Brain Trauma on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give me thumbs up. Thank you. See you next week.